until 1 p.m. At 12:56 p.m., radar indicated that a tornado-producing storm was located over Kenton, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: law enforcement confirmed tornado. At 12:50 p.m., a tornado was reported east of Kenton. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Kenton, Hepburn, Grant, Metzer, and Pfeiffer. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground.
Whoa.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. You're listening.
Here we go. Be quiet. Be quiet.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Western Huron County, Seneca County, Erie County, Northeastern Wyandot County, Sandusky County, Crawford County, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms will along a line extending from near Fostoria to Tiffin to near Sycamore, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Tiffin, Norwalk, Fremont, Fostoria, Bucyrus, Upper Sandusky, Bellevue, Clyde, Willard, Crestline, Plymouth, Green Springs, New Washington, Bloomville, Sycamore, Castalia, New Regal, Chatfield, and Belleville.